Friends, teachers and all, lend me your ears. I come here not to bore you. Now you may wonder why am I here? Now, finally the time comes when I, representing us, bid a goodbye to everybody. As the autumn leaves fall and we advance into a new sphere of life, we as a whole commence a big holy thank you. You see, the whole batch that appear on the stage have left us with more common approach. Thank you teachers and friends. But I as my tuning goes would like to say cheers. Cheers to those teachers who have unconditionally supported us, pushed us and taught us. Every time we got frustrated, your soothing voice. You can do it. Don't let yourself down. Oh, those words ignite an adrenal rush that spikes through within, which play a detrimental factor in our lives. Cheers to our friends who though troubled and put us into trouble, yet made moments into memories. Cheers to our ayahs and annas, without whose support himself could have fallen. I am very grateful for their roles in my life. And a small message to our juniors. Do not repeat those mistakes which we made. For example, hanging out near the washrooms. That has a very heavy toll which we must pay. Don't hesitate to make mistakes. For every mistake leaves behind a learning. And here, for us, cheers for entire grade 10 for successfully completing their 13 years and 6 months in school. And yet, don't forget, जी चाहे जब हमको आवाज दो, हम लौट आएंगे, तुम यूं ही बुलाते रहना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना. And yet, don't forget us. And if you cannot remember us, remember, भूलोगे तुम, भूलेंगे वो, पर हम तुम्हारे रहेंगे सदा, रहेंगे यही अपने निशा, इसके सिवा जाना कहाँ. जी चाहे जब हमको आवाज दो, हम हैं वही, हम थे जहाँ. Thank you.